Hi, I'm Amanda Haas, and today I'm going to show you how to make classic pepperoni pizza on the Traeger. It's one of my favorite things to make. First, I'm going to start by making a sauce. And you know what? If you're rushed, you don't have to make a sauce from scratch, and that's what I love about pizza. It can be a super forgiving thing to make. And I'm using a large can of Roma tomatoes that have not been diced, because I like to pulse them up, but not make it too thin. I like a little chunk to my sauce. So we're gonna just put all these in and just give them a pulse in the food processor. Don't worry if you don't have one, you could actually just do this with a knife on a cutting board as well. Get that in there. Oops. I just want them broken up, but still with some texture. Perfect. That's a chunky tomato sauce, but I'm happy with it. Okay, now we're just gonna put a couple ingredients in this saucepan and get cooking. I'm gonna melt a combination of butter and olive oil. I like the added flavor of the butter in the sauce. Then I've got 2 cloves of garlic that I just minced really finely. Another great trick is if you have a microplane, you can grate it and it just will melt into your sauce. So good. Okay, here we go. Now spices. I've got oregano, pinch of chili flake, which is key if you like a little bit of heat with your pizza, which I do. Sugar, secret ingredient to my tomato sauce. You'll be surprised, just a little bit adds a ton of flavor. And then of course salt for seasoning. Then we'll go ahead and add our tomatoes. Now, super Italian thing to do. I cut an onion in half, and I'm just gonna put it directly into my sauce like this. That way you get all of the flavor of the onion, but you won't have little onion chunks in your sauce. Now I just want this to come to a simmer, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it go on very low heat for about an hour. That gives enough time for all of these flavors to combine. While the sauce simmers, let's talk pizza dough. I've got some dough here that I already made, but this is another thing. I'm a huge fan of buying pizza dough that's already made. It's great for a weeknight. There's so many high quality doughs out there now that are sold in most markets, so it's a piece of cake. So I'm just gonna use my hands here. Great trick here. And when you're rolling out dough too, it's important that you can move it around on the surface, that it's not sticking anywhere. So let me show you. See how this isn't stuck to the surface? It's perfect. So I'm just gonna put a little cornmeal on the peel, slide it right under, and let's build our pizza. I'm just gonna ladle a little bit on. Do as much as you like. I like more cheese than sauce, but that's just me. Okay, let's spread this out. Just get it nice and even. Okay, now for the cheese. I said I love a ton. Okay, but I am really gonna go heavy on the pepperoni. And then a little trick, I'm gonna top it with basil when it comes out. If you put it on now, it's gonna be brown. You put it on when it's hot and it just kind of melts into it. It will be so fragrant and delicious at the end. We've built our pizza, the grill's preheated. Let's go put it on. Okay, my stone is preheated, my grill is nice and hot, and here we go. I'm gonna check it, no joke, in about 6 minutes. Let's take a look. Ah, gorgeous. So take it right off here. So easy to make it on the Traeger. Let's go eat. Okay, this pizza looks so delicious and it smells even better. I'm just gonna finish it with a little basil like I was saying. It'll just melt into the pizza. Looks so delicious, I can't wait to eat it. To get this recipe and more, visit us online at traegergrills.com/recipes or download our Traeger app.